For today's video guys, si Mingming ay naman kasi umuulan guys, kaya gusto niyang pumasok. Bakit gusto mong pumasok? Hello guys, did you see my God? She have a one baby. Look at guys. Kawawa siya guys. Kasi sobrang ulan. Umuulan na naman. Kaya gusto niyang pumasok. Gusto mo pumasok sa loob? Gusto mo pumasok sa loob? Kawawa naman yan. Kawawa naman ang kambing na yan. Kawawa naman si kambing. Tingnan nyo siya guys. Oh. Diba? Mabait yan. Mabait yan si Mingming. Mabait yan. Mabait yan. Ay! Hello! Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, maulanon nga umaga. Sobrang ulan guys. Maulan. Good morning, good morning. Ako may pagtingin, aaminin ko na rin. Ang ulan, sobrang putik guys. Tingnan niyo guys yun. Ayan. Kakatapos ko lang maglinis dito kanina kasi sobrang daming damo na guys. Ayan. My flower. Ayan. Dito din may flower din ako guys. Ayan, pero hindi pa yan tapos. Okay, don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel guys. I love you. I'm bored because they have a class, so did you see the one girl? She don't have class, so we cleaning today. Kawawa naman yung kambing. Gusto niya pumasok guys. Hindi siya kasya doon. Ming? Gusto mo pumasok? Ha? Gusto mo bang pumasok? Gusto mo pumasok ka? I love animals. Before I have pig, then now I have goat, but they have one baby. Ayan guys. Si kambing. Ano ka? Gusto mo pumasok? Lamig? Lamig ba? Kawawa naman. Diyan ka lang ha. Diyan ka lang. Aba, kawawa naman yan. Kawawa naman yan. Ay! Kawawa naman si kambing ko. Gusto mo pumasok? Okay, that's all for today, guys. You're so pretty. Ang sakit, guys. Okay, don't forget to like and share, guys. And subscribe my YouTube channel. I love you and God bless everyone. I just sitting here in front of my goat. Look at, guys. Okay, we love you all, guys. Bye-bye.